Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing yet another double colored patch design to the back neckline in a very simple way. So let's begin. Here is the sari. These are the matching fabrics. I will be using green color patches on red color blouse with decorative lace along the border. I would be attaching decorative buttons as well. I have drafted design onto the folded chart paper. Let's have a look at the measurements. Total shoulder is 6.5 inches. Neck width is 3 inches. Armhole length is 6 inches. Half inch shoulder slope. Midpoint of the armhole length is 3. From this point, draw a freehand curve shape for the back armhole. Neck depth is 9 inches. Three inches for the patch base. Make a box as usual. Then draw a neck shape using French curve this way. To draw neck design, you may use French curve to draw all the curves, or you may draw freehand curves at about 3.5 inches. Distance between the curve and the neckline is around 2.5 inches. Here the distance is 1.5 inches from the corner of the box. Full length of the blouse is 14 plus 1, that's 15 inches. Let's cut as marked. Before cutting the patch piece, let's place the chart paper on fabric. Chest is 40 inches. I have added 4, so 44. 1/4 of 44 is 11. So mark at 11 plus 2 inches for losing purpose. I am going to attach heart shaped patch of about 4 by 4 inches at corners. Green color fabric is being used for both the patches here. Let's mark the outline on fabric and cut. Let's do the finishing of the neckline. Place the neckline on the folded fabric. Draw the neck shape, leaving margin at about 1.5 inches for folding. And cut. For neat finish, fold the raw edges by 1/4 inches and stitch all along the shape. Place it on the right side of the neckline. Pin it up. Let's stitch all along the neck. Give slits. Fold it inwards and give a top stitch. Give hand stitch here. Let's cut patch pieces. First we'll cut designed patch. You may use the single cutout to create heart-shaped patch on both the corners. I would use green color fabric as mentioned before. Trace the outline of the patch cutouts on canvas paper this way and cut along the mark. Place the canvas on a piece of green fabric and iron it to stick. Mark 1/2 inch margin to fold. Now let's cut as per the markings. Fold the border to conceal the canvas. Give cuts near the curves so that you can fold it easily. Fold this part also and stitch all along the neckline. Do the same with the heart-shaped patch. Now let's place this design patch on the neckline and stitch along the neck. Give another stitch at the edges of the design. Now we will attach decorative lace at the edges of the neck design. This way. Give a small pleat near the sharp curve to retain the shape. stitch both the edges of the lace. Lace has been attached. We will stitch the dart 4 inches long on both the sides. Take the midpoint of the shoulder, that's 4.75, and dart length is 4 inches. Mark on both the sides. Darts have been given. Next, we will attach green strip to the bottom of the waistline to conceal the raw edges. This method I have already shown in my previous video. Wherever dart comes, just give a small pleat. By doing this, we will not have any wrinkles while folding inwards. Give a top stitch. Give a basting stitch. Later, this stitch can be removed once the hand stitch is given. Let's attach heart shape at the corners of the waistline. Attach lace along its outline. Stitch on both the edges of the lace. Let's also attach red lace on the edges of the round neck. Stitch on both the edges of the lace here as well. Next, I'm gonna attach decorative button on top of it. Let me show how to fix it. This button has two eyes. Stitch this way. Buttons have been attached. You may attach similar piece of heart-shaped patch on the other corner of the waistline as well. Friends, it's ready. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks once again. Bye bye.